are pleased to show you the 2017 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control automatic, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.